we recognize that there are petitions now pending before the Honorable Supreme Court intended to stop these proceedings. Yes, there are petitions in the Honorable Supreme Court. One, filed by a group led by the lawyer of Pastor Kibuloy. The second one, filed by the Vice President herself, as usual, represented by several lawyers, lampas 10 abogado. And the third one, filed by several individuals, mostly lawyers, dami namang abogado, questioning the very core of our rules. And just yesterday, we received the fourth one. It was filed by Carpio and lawyers with the Regional Trial Court of Quezon City. Esteemed colleagues, beloved countrymen, total of 4 petitions na ang layon patigilin ang pagdinig na ito.
Aray ko!